In this quick and straightforward tutorial, we'll discover how to obtain our WhatsApp link and share it with friends or family members. Getting your link is easy, and the process remains the same whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. To begin, open the WhatsApp application on your device. Unlike having a specific option to copy our WhatsApp link directly, we'll use a simple method to generate it manually. Start by opening a chat with the person you want to share your link with. This can be done via WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, or any other messaging platform. Next, type the following in the chat. W8 followed by your WhatsApp phone number. Remember to include the country code with a plus sign before your phone number. Send this message in the conversation. This will serve as your WhatsApp link. When someone clicks on this link, it will open a conversation with you in WhatsApp, allowing them to start messaging you directly. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to get your WhatsApp link and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.